Friends, welcome back to the channel. So what's up? I think you all are doing good. So I'm Shalini and I'm from Uttarakhand and I'm shooting vlog in the morning. So it is day 2 to learn English with me. So I will started the vlog to master my English speaking skills and to make my English speaking skills more better and fluent than other days. So I am here in the it is morning time and today's weather is very pleasant, and after 2 days here sun saw his appearance and I'm like glad to see the sun. Wow, so you can see I live in a pahadi village. So how the view is looking, it's very nice, and I'm on the floor to take the bath of sunshine. And I'm shooting the vlog because you know that in today's generation it is very important to learn the English. Whenever you are going in any foreign country and you want to speak with any other person, then it's very important to know the English language, because it was a medium to speak with any other persons, and it was my own ambition to learn English. It's just a language, I know, but yeah, I want to learn it because so many peoples will judge you on the basis of their English speaking skills, and interviews wherever you go. It's very important nowadays to speak in English. So many peoples are speaking in English, but in the village till now no one speak in English. You have to create your own surroundings where you can speak with your own self. I will do that in my room. Whenever I was alone and free time, I will speak to myself. That was very beneficial when you are going to speak with yourself. And if I will make any mistake and I will do any grammatical mistake, so please comment. I will upload vlog very soon, and I am shooting in today, and yeah, after 1 2 hours I will upload it, and I hope that you will like it. So guys, I decided to break the glass ceilings. Yes, in initial stage, gradually when I started to speak, my English was not a little bit good. As you can see, I am speaking now. So actually my English was too bad than this is better than on that time, because when you start in the initial stage, so definitely your English was not good. Everyone faced these problems, but yeah, gradually you have to improve it. Whenever you will start to talk with yourself, then you have to shoot yourself on the camera, then replay the video, and then you realize that where are you making the mistakes and where are you interacting and where are you talking wrong. Actually, I am also making so many mistakes, so you will correct me on the comment sections and I will definitely correct it on my other video. I boost confidence to speak English in a school days, because whenever my house turns, I will gradually started to go on the stage and started to give speeches, and I will start with thoughts. So definitely it will also boost your confidence, because when you are in real life in front of so many people, when you have to speak, then definitely you will be confident. And when you holding your mic, and that was feeling is very very different. Whenever my turn is to speak, then on initial stages I feel very nervous. There was a butterfly in my stomach, I am telling is my secret. But yeah, on the speaking time, I will look at the front, and in this way I was telling, I am Shalini and I'm from Kalam House, in this way. So my school was not so far from my home. It was nearly 600 to 700 meters only. Actually, it was looked from here, but you are not able to see it because it was behind the houses. So it's for today, and if you like my videos, so please like and subscribe. And day third is very interesting. On that day, I will explore you my village. So bye bye. That's for today.